All right, working with our same schematic diagram that we have here, we're going to assume that we put in the wrong LEDs up here. Okay, so we want to replace them. In fact, we did put in these LEDs, but they're not the right ones. So we're going to swap them out with the correct ones that we're going to use, which is the IR333A and the IR333C. We'll have two of each. So to do it's really simple. We'll do two at once. So I will click on this one. I'll hold the control button down and pick another one. I'm going to pick this one. Okay, so I have these two selected. If I right click, I can click on replace part. And I'm going to come up here to components. And I want to find the opto and LEDs, opto sensors and LED. Then over here, I'm going to start typing IR3. And you should be able to get down here. We'll make these the IR333A, so we select that, and then we're going to apply that to the selected components. So now you'll notice when I click on this, it is the IR333A, and this one is also the IR333A. I still have to change this one and this one, so we'll do that next. We'll select it, hold Control, select that, right click, and I will replace that part with, under components, look for the opto and LED, and then click over here and type IR until it gets you down there. And I will take the IR333C and apply that to the selected components. And now this one is an IR333C, and so is this one. Okay, so you can click on them and you can see which ones that you have. Okay. All right, next what we're going to do is we're going to set the values for all of our resistors here, and we'll start with these. These are all going to be 39 ohm resistors according to our design. So we'll select all of them by holding the control button and clicking each one of them. So now they're all selected. And what I will do now is come up to reference does, and this box will pop up. We're going to type in the values for each of these here. So 39, and R is the symbol we'll use for ohms, and that is commonly used. So if you see R, that might mean ohms next to it. So 39R next to each one of these. And click OK. Okay. Then for these four, this one, and this one, so our base resistors, we also want to change those. Those are going to be 470 ohms. So 470R, 470R. Okay, so now we have all of our resistor values set, and we have the correct LEDs in there. The last thing we'll do here is we'll select everything, Control A, and then we'll come up here and under marking, we're going to select reference designation. And then under marking 2, we're going to select value. Okay, now I'll click off in a blank area, and you'll notice then what those do is R5 and all of the R's, R7, R6, R5, those are the reference designations. Okay, and then right here, this is the value of the resistor. Okay, so we can see the reference designations of values are showing up for all of the resistors. And then the last thing you'll do right now is to save this. So make sure you go up to File and Save.